What is the legal eviction process for property managers? Imagine trying to remove a tenant from a property without breaking any laws. That's what the legal eviction process is all about. It might seem straightforward, but there are specific steps to follow to stay within the law. Property managers act on behalf of property owners to enforce lease rules and regain possession of units when tenants break the agreement. But they cannot just change locks or turn off utilities. That's illegal. The process begins with identifying a valid reason for eviction, like unpaid rent or violating lease terms. Once confirmed, the property manager serves the tenant with a formal eviction notice. This notice explains the problem and gives the tenant a set amount of time to fix the issue or leave. The time frame varies depending on where the property is located and the reason for eviction. If the tenant does not respond or fix the problem, the property manager files an eviction lawsuit, called an unlawful detainer action, in the local court. This involves preparing legal documents like a complaint and a summons, which state the grounds for eviction and ask the court to intervene. Proper service of these documents is essential, usually done by a sheriff or a professional process server, to ensure the tenant is legally notified. The court then schedules a hearing where both sides can present their case. The property manager should bring all supporting documents, such as the lease agreement, payment records, and copies of notices sent. During the hearing, the judge reviews the evidence and decides if eviction is justified. If the court rules in favor of the property owner, it issues an order for possession. The court may also order the tenant to pay back rent, damages, or legal fees. Once the order is issued, law enforcement officials can carry out a warrant of eviction, which allows them to physically remove the tenant if they refuse to leave voluntarily. Throughout this process, following legal procedures is vital. Improper notices, incorrect paperwork, or attempting to evict without court approval can lead to delays, penalties, or lawsuits. Property managers often need the property owner's approval to start the eviction process and may requiring the owner to be present at court. Staying organized, keeping detailed records, and understanding local laws help ensure the eviction is handled smoothly and legally. This approach protects the property owner's rights while respecting the tenant's legal protections, making the process fair and efficient for everyone involved.